Super good.
Wow.
For 10 bucks.
Yeah.
Definitely it's cheaper here than than the market near us.
I didn't see any foreigners. Well, maybe one or two.
Only on the pier. Not here. Oh, it's good, good. I wish there's spot on it.
Where are we now?
We're in Aker. I don't know what street, but still in Bangkok. We're going to cross the river
To where?
for breakfast in Wang Lang market.
You excited?
I'm super hungry. We got distracted by the food on the streets.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
It's super, it smells so good.
Very good. And then we're gonna take a boat to Siam after.
Yeah, it's so fast.
Yeah.
Unlike when you ride a barge to Sama, you'll be waiting in line. Here it's so fast, no
And
line.
literally, we didn't even slow down. We just walked.
Yeah. As long as you just prepare your coin, and it's super cheap.
Okay.
It's like 10 pesos each for us.
Yeah. Nice. So fast and organized. It's so cheap. We hopped across the river for 4 baht each. We're gonna go get some breakfast in Wang Lang Market. Wang Lang Market. Just we got to examine TikTok to see if we found the right place.
No, just enough.
What are you in the mood for?
I want to see what's new on our playlist or It's worth me.
You want to get some?
Yeah, let's buy two.
I'll stand out of the way.
This is spicy. This is spicy. Kapag ka.
Không phải đi các bạn hả? Được, mấyถึงร้อยอ่ะได้ครับเกือบแต่คนละ400-500แต่อันนี้มันเป็นร้อยว่า
Đi bán Oh, there's also here inside here. Let's see them.
ไม่สวยครับขายนี่นะครับจริงจังครับเธอ
Let's eat here first.
Wait, what?
Eat the barbecue Chinese.
Okay.
I chose. This is only very cheap. 10 baht. Oh,
How was it?
super meaty. You don't need sauce for this. Super good.
Wow.
For 10 baht.
Yeah.
Definitely it's cheaper here than than the market near us.
I didn't see any foreigners. Well, maybe one or two.
Only on the pier. Not here. Oh, it's good, good. I wish there's spot on it.
I would eat some more of those.
Yeah, you can buy. But let's. Do you think you're still in the area there?
Let's try it. If not, we'll go back.
ไปไหนเอาไปไหน
Có sẵn đây.
ไม่กิน
That's why it's famous for nurses and students because it's near a hospital.
Uh-huh.
Another 7-Eleven, babe.
Oh, really? Did you want to get a water?
Here's another 15 pesos. Let's go.
Doesn't look street foody. It looks like mall food.
Yeah.
Water? What do you have? This? Okay.
Chicken skin.
เอาไปที่เจอนี่จ้า
Just pure meat.
ไหนดีคะ
How much is this?
จิ้ม
One. This one.
One of. How much is this?
45.
One.
Thank you. Huh? You want to eat it now? Okay.
Look at this.
This is meat.
I thought it would look like meat.
Wow. It's really good, babe.
Mm-hmm. I think it's fish or pork.
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 They say it's popular for locals because it's cheap.
Mm. That one's very well tied.
Wow.
Good.
Good.
You need some vinegar.
And rice.
Hmm?
And rice.
It's just like fried pork belly.
But this is very crispy. Not burnt.
Yeah.
ตัวแล้วเขามาส่งเลยเหรอไม่ได้ไม่ได้
What's your favorite?
Like the first barbecue we had.
Alright.
ได้หลังจีบมาจากตลาดมองจ้ามีให้อะไรตีวนเข้าไปแล้วก็เข้าไปเรื่อยๆใช่ไหม
ไอ้พี่น้องครับเข้ากับส้มผูครับ
It's not for us to try like this.
Okay.
There's good things.
Yeah. Yeah, there's a lot more market back there.
Let's see building. There's
Oh, look, it's a whole set. For only 45 baht.
Really?
Remember, it was 120 at the store last time.
And you just have to mix it all together.
Yeah. You're on our last day. What about these things?
This is the Rice Krispies, I think.
Yeah.
Madika.
Alright.
60 บาทค่ะ
I don't know.
How much? 60
Okay. I like this one better. You want to get one? Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Look at that. Ice cream.
Thank you.
Papunta.
Nice. It just looks so caramelly.
You wanna try that?
No, we can save it. Let's find something else.
Okay.
There's even coffee shop.
น้ำอะไรดีคะกาแฟสดจ้าดูเมนูก่อนได้นะคะ
It's really good.
Maybe we could find a Levant hut for Vietnam.
That's true. Let's keep our eye out.
It's all cute.
Yeah. Go Watson's. Did you want to look in Watson's for anything? Maybe there's unique stuff.
In.
Oh, those are 200. Or for the dress, maybe.
Oh yeah, this is a 100.
Ooh, Thai tea. You want one?
30 only?
Yeah.
Okay.
I still have 40 change in my hand from the last place. Is it good? We're gonna get a chai tea to recharge, and then we're gonna get some more food. You still hungry? Yeah? Okay. Let's try this.
Look how cute that is. And they got some QR here for promotion.
Oh yeah. Huh? Tastes like Rice Krispie treat.
Soft. Very soft.
Caramel and rice.
นี่2 อันแล้วก็ใส่ถุง1ไม่เอาน้ำจิ้มนี่
มันหลงลืมไม่ไหวแล้วหลายรอบแล้ว
ก่อนน้อยจ้า